Hey there, my name is Dana Dykema. I'm coming to you from North Vancouver, British Columbia. This is my little backyard garden. I wanted to tell you a little bit today about the organic no-till gardening course through Local Harvest. I totally stumbled across it this past spring through an Instagram story, and that led me to the website, which led me to the trailer to watch Dan and Andrew talking about the course. And they were so endearing and so passionate. I was like, I need this in my life. I need to know what they have to say. Things just aligned, and I was ready to learn. I know it can be intimidating seeing other people's gardens on social media and whatnot, the lushness and the just the variety that people are able to grow, and that just felt so far from where I was. And even having my husband build me this greenhouse this past summer, I was standing in there with my packet of seeds, just terrified to put these seeds in the ground. What if I failed? What if they didn't grow? What would people think of me? What would I think of myself? I'd feel like such a failure. But knowing that at that point I was in the course, and then knowing that I had the backing of Dan and Andrew and the community of Local Harvest behind me, I dug my hole and I put that seed in the ground and I watered it and I tended to it and I listened to the instruction of what I should do to feed it. I've learned so much about composting, about the soil food web, about our food web in general as a world, and why it's so important to learn about gardening and how to take more control of our own food production, how we can be a blessing to others through the food that we grow. That's something that's on my heart, to be able to share what I grow with others. I think that's very fulfilling. And the community that has been given to me, that I've been able to enter in through this course, has been one of the biggest blessings this year. You know, it's not just a gardening course. To me, this has been something that I didn't even know that I was missing in my life. But just the camaraderie and the community and the encouragement and the confidence that has come, how I've not only grown as a gardener, but as a person, has been really amazing. And I know others have seen it in me. So if you've been thinking about growing your own food, whether you just have a small patio or a balcony, maybe you just have a small backyard like myself, or you have multiple acres, this course has something for everybody. And even if you are learning to build and dreaming and building for the future, this has something for you as well, because there's always steps that we can take to be more self-reliant, and to grow in our sustainability as a home gardener or a market gardener. There's always more to learn, more to experiment with, and this course just is the whole package. And how we're all learning together, we're experimenting together, is also so much fun. It's fun to experiment. It's fun to see what works and what doesn't work, so that next time you can try a different way and do it even better. So it's been great to see other people's experiments and their gardens and what's worked and what hasn't, and but it's been wonderful to see the successes. You know, like some things here did better than others, and some things did so well because of the principles that I was able to put in place because of the course. So I hope that you'll join us this year in 2022. It's going to be a really good time. We're going to learn so much. We're going to eat good food that we got to grow ourselves. And what a privilege it is to step out your back door and harvest your own cucumbers, to grab your own lettuce for the salad. It's such a gift, and you will be blessed. You'll be encouraged. Your confidence will soar, and you'll enter into this community that is here to cheer you on and support you the whole way through. So can't wait to see you in the course.